Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure Gmod has the textures available. This is why you see purple. Open the game mounting section and enable Counter-Strike, Source or Team Fortress 2 content. Once done, launch Workshop and subscribe to any specific map or model packs the add-on requires, then enable them in add-ons. If you lack the source pack, install it. Without it, materials will remain missing. You should now have the texture files accessible, so proceed to verify the game files next. You now verify that the files are intact and referenced correctly because corrupted or misnamed materials cause the purple error. In Steam, verify integrity of Garry'seyes mod. Let it repair any missing files. Inspect add-on folders. Look for VMT and VTF files and confirm their paths match the material statements. Make sure capitalization matches, especially on Linux servers. If an add-on references non-existent textures, either provide the missing files or edit the material paths to point to available resources before testing in-game again. You finish by forcing Gmod to reload materials and by eliminating runtime cache issues. Open the console and run material reload all or mat reload all materials, then quit and restart the game to clear cached errors. Test the map and particular models to confirm textures load. If problems persist, temporarily disable SV Pure on servers or remove and reinstall the problematic add-on. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the console for lines like missing VM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.